I just wanted to get on here to talk about the amazing product that is Bubka. As a busy mum of four, so I've got a 7-year-old, 5-year-old, 2-year-old, and a 6-month-old, I cannot even begin to tell you how much this has saved me. So when my baby was only 2 weeks old, he was discovered to have quite a lazy latch. So as a result, my milk supply dropped off because he wasn't latching properly. I then had to go see a lactation consultant and started on a 2-hourly schedule of pumping, bottling, feeding, just enough to be able to get my supply back. At the time, I didn't even know this was a thing. So I was attached to a pump, felt like I was tethered to a couch and couldn't move about, which made it really hard to manage the other children. It was just a really hard time in my feeding journey. As soon as I discovered Bubka, I cannot even tell you how amazing it's been. I can just pop it into my bra. I've got the double pump. I can go about my daily activities. I have folded washing. I have cooked dinner for the family. I have even held Brady when he's been fussy and I've needed to pump. It's helped me to build up my freezing supply of milk. I feel like when I go back to work, I'll be able to continue my feeding journey for longer because of how easy it is to just subtly sit even on a break and pump. As a busy mum, it has been life-saving and is definitely a product that I will recommend to all of my friends who are pumping or new people who are having babies. So please do yourself a favor and get yourself a Bubka pump.